In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the fundamentals of Jenkins Pipeline, demonstrating its flexibility and efficiency. Step 1. What is Jenkins Pipeline? Jenkins Pipeline is a suite of plugins that allows you to define an entire automation process, from building to deployment, as code. This eliminates the need for a series of freestyle jobs, providing a more structured and maintainable way to manage your workflows. Step 2. Key concepts of Jenkins Pipeline. Pipeline script. A Jenkins pipeline is defined using a domain-specific language, DSL, or a script that describes the steps of your workflow. Nodes. Nodes represent the physical or virtual machines where your pipeline runs. You can define different stages to execute on different nodes. Stages. Stages are a collection of steps. They allow you to organize and visualize the different phases of your pipeline, such as building, testing, and deploying. Steps. Steps are the individual tasks or commands within a stage. They represent the smallest unit of work in a Jenkins pipeline. Step 3. Creating a simple pipeline. Log into your Jenkins instance and access the Jenkins dashboard. Click on New Item and select Pipeline. Enter a name for your pipeline, let's say, My First Pipeline, and click on OK. Configure pipeline. In the pipeline configuration, choose the Pipeline Script option and let's create a simple script. Save the pipeline configuration and click on Build Now to execute your pipeline. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps in understanding Jenkins Pipeline. As you explore more complex scenarios, you'll appreciate the flexibility and scalability it offers for automating your software delivery process. Next, we will explore on how to integrate Jenkins with version control systems. In pipeline builds, the stage view provides a visual representation, showcasing each stage along with its respective name and status, offering a clear and organized overview of the entire pipeline execution process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.